This is a Roidmi Neo, a cordless wet and dry vacuum cleaner. I will do a quick showcase what you get in the package. So, first thing first, you get a main unit, not completely assembled, which is normal. I must say it looks really nice, beautiful design, hard plastic, not crunching anywhere. Everything feels sturdy and well built, beautifully designed, I must say. This is a docking station, yes. This is a stick, you put it here on the top. Here we have a brush for cleaning. These two are storage stand accessories. This is a soft roller brush. And we have here a filter. Really neat to have. I guess that it goes like this. I will assemble the handle now. The manual say that when you... The interesting fact, this handle is made like a female USB port, and there is a male side of the port inside. When you push it inside, there should be a click. Here it is. For testing purposes, I will put the dock here, something like that, and I will take the vacuum like this. Now let's insert the power plug.
Charging started.
There is a nice voice. You get the voice prompt when the charging starts.
Charging started.
This is how it looks. Yes, the play is not the best, but this is for showcase purpose. But I must say it looks beautiful. You have a nice screen. It shows a charging icon, and the battery right now it is on the 37%. Really nice dock. This is practical. I will show you now the important aspects of Roidmi Neo. I must admit, this is my first time to have a contact with this type of the device. And why I am telling you this? Well, it is quite simple. I find it unrealistically easy to understand everything just after 10 minutes with it. Let's start. First things first. On the handle you have two buttons. You have a power button and mode shuffle button with spray with water what is in front of you. Quite simple. Moving down below you have the screen. I will get back to it later. You have a sound and Wi-Fi button with start-stop self-cleaning button. Further down below, on the back side, with simple switch of button, you can remove a water tank. This is a clean water tank. Roidmi states that only use the Roidmi cleaning fluids to prevent running or causing damage to parts of the machine. From my experience and with other robot vacuums and so on with mopping function, you can use cleaning solutions which are just cleaning, with the cleaning solutions which doesn't have any additional oils or something like that in it. So just basic cleaning solution is fine, but this is my experience. I don't guarantee you if you lose your warranty, so keep that in mind. That is just my experience. On the front you have your dirty water tank with dust filter. You have here a quick guide how to clean everything up. Quite easy to remove and get back. Super simple. On the bottom you have your brush. It is also quite simple to remove. You just press these two buttons, you remove the top. On the back side you have this metal handle which you pop, you remove your brush. To get it back, just bop and slide this here, and that's it. Quite a simple, quite a practical, and that's it. A quick tour. I figured all this out in like 5 minutes. So really super simple. Now let's test it out. So just pop it up. As you can see, there is quite a lot of movability. I really like that. Really feels great in the hand. To start it up, just press the power button. The screen will turn on with the battery indicator, and you can hear that it detects that water tank is empty. And you have an icon which flashes. That is not a problem because I just want to show you now the screen. By pressing a mode shuffle button, you have a pure suction mode. You have a refreshing mode, which is basically mopping and vacuuming. And you have a smart mode. In the hand it really feels nice. It is super easy to move it. What I can see that there are no lights on the front part like on my old Roidmi robots, which is kind of shame, Roidmi. I really hope that feature will stay, because I really like that feature. It really shows you where you miss the spot in these dark places and so on. But okay, I want to show you now. As you can see, has been powered off. Return it to the base. As you can see, when I turn it off, it will put a lot more suction than usual to clean up the intake pipe, which is really smart. Charging started. My experience with Roborock is that often when I finish the cleaning, I need to put a maximal suction to clean up the pipe, because when I put it down on the dock, I see the debris falling from the intake. That's why probably a Roidmi implemented that when you turn off the vacuum, it will put a maximal intake power to clean up the intake pipe. Okay, I did put clean water in the clean water tank, obviously. And we will see now how the machine behaves in different cleaning modes. So, turn it on. I will choose refreshing mode.
Powering off. The device has been powered off. Return it to the base.
I want to see if, yes, the floor is wet, as you can see, and the brush is already really nicely wet. Really nice. I wanted to show you that. Okay, let's do a bit of exercise. I think you can see here that floor gets wet. But you can see that
the device has been powered off.
It really
Return it to the base.
mops well. Let's do one test with flour, with popcorns, Coca-Cola and yogurt. I mean, this can be a usual spill, which can happen quite easily. Let's take a Neo. Let's see what this bad boy can do, right? Turn it on. I will test it in the smart mode. For me it is logical to do it from this side. As you can see, it shows that there is a lot of debris. We have a leftover. Let's do one more run. Okay, this looks really amazing if you ask me. There is a drop there. Indeed. Really nice. I mean, I don't want to be too optimistic about this, but let's turn it off.
The device has been powered off. Return it to the base.
This looks, I mean, it is a bit wet now because obviously I was mopping. But okay, I don't stop this video. I'll take one paper here and do a quick wipe all around. And as you can see, there is a bit of something which wasn't in the test, and this was probably from my slippers, because when I walk there is a lot of debris and those dark spots appear all over the apartment, so I don't think that this is leftover. We see here debris from cleaning in the dirty water tank. This is a smart detection. The red wingle is when there is dirt. Okay, the self-cleaning ended, and I want to see how it looks inside right now. Okay, the brush looks clean and there's no strange smells. It looks clean. Yeah, that's really nice to see. And this is a dirty water tank. You can see that all debris is inside, really nasty. You get this brush, which you can use to clean the pipe. The previous test wasn't enough for me, so I wanted to do something more concrete. I have a dirt here, a really beautiful, nice, dirty dirt. I will do a cleanup, and after that we will see how the self-cleaning feature is working, because this is more colorful and a lot easier to see the real situation. Let's take this bad boy again, turn it on. It is on auto mode. I'm trying to show you also the screen so you can see. From my perspective, it really cleaned up everything well. I just want to do one polish. Okay, so you can see it also do variable vacuuming speed. Okay, turn it off.
To the base. Charging started.
Okay, I will take a cloth and do a wipe. And as you can see, not really perfectly clean, but not that bad. Not that bad. The cleaning process self-cleaning is done, and as you can see, the mop looks quite clean, and the waste tank. This was a Roidmi Neo, a smart cordless wet and dry vacuum cleaner. The point of this video was to showcase you unpackaging experience and what you can get for the money. I hope that I managed to present you that. Overall build quality, as I said, is exceptional when I compare it with other good brands like Roborock and Dyson. Really on par with them, there is no doubt about that. Really good build quality, there is no crunching, there is no strange noises or something like that. The overall, my first experience with this machine really shows that it is well engineered. At least it looks like that. I will do a more in-depth test over time to show you other things. I need to be honest. When I was considering to buy something like this, I was like, I don't need it. But mopping attachments for these robots, I really rarely use them. Here is a rubber rock attachment. I use it like a few times in the month, and that is really rare. With this Roidmi wet and dry vacuum cleaner, I really want to experience this type of devices and share my opinion with community, how much they are practical and what you can expect from them. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please, if you have any question or opinion, please leave it down in the comments. Also, please like, share, subscribe. It really helps me a lot on the long term. I really want to get that diploma of 100k subscribers, so thank you in advance. It is just one click for you and means a lot for me. Thank you for watching, and until next time, see ya.